Welcome back! In the previous lesson, you learned what AI automation is and why it is becoming one of the most valuable skills in today's digital world. Today, we're taking the next step in your journey by exploring the engine behind every automation. In this lesson, we'll explore one of the most important concepts behind every automation: workflows. Once you understand workflows, you'll be able to build systems that save time, reduce repetitive work, and connect multiple applications together seamlessly. Every automation you'll build in this course starts with a workflow. It's the blueprint that tells your tools exactly what to do and when to do it. Think of it as the digital process that follows a specific order from beginning to end. Let's break down exactly what that looks like in practice. So, what is a workflow? Simply put, a workflow is a sequence of connected steps that work together to complete a task automatically. Instead of manually performing every step yourself, the workflow handles each action automatically, following a set path to reach the finish line. Think of a workflow as a digital employee that never sleeps. Instead of you logging in to move data, the workflow does it for you. This shift from manual effort to automated process is the heart of efficiency. Let's look at a common example to see the difference it makes. Imagine someone fills out a contact form on your website. Normally, you'd open your email, read the message, copy the info, save it to a sheet, reply, and then notify your team. This takes time and must be repeated every time. With a workflow, all of these steps happen automatically in just a few seconds. In this scenario, the customer receives a response immediately. Your information is saved automatically, and your team is notified without anyone doing the work manually. You've just turned a tedious 10-minute task into a 0-second process. That is the power of a well-designed workflow. Every workflow you build, no matter how complex, is made of 3 basic components: the trigger, the actions, and the logic. Mastering these 3 building blocks is the secret to building any automation system you can imagine. Let's look at each one. First, we have the trigger. The trigger is what starts the workflow. It's the event that signals the system to begin. Examples include a customer submitting a form, a new email arriving, or a payment being received. Without a trigger, the workflow never begins. It's the "when this happens" part of the equation. Next are the actions. These are the tasks the workflow performs after the trigger. A workflow can perform one action or dozens of actions, like sending an email, updating a Google Sheet, or generating AI content. This is the do this part, where the actual work gets done automatically. Finally, we have logic. Logic tells the workflow how to make decisions. For example, if a customer buys a premium plan, send them to sales. If they buy basic, send a welcome email. Logic allows your workflows to become intelligent instead of simply repeating the same task every single time. Workflows help businesses save time, improve consistency, and reduce human errors. Most importantly, they allow you to scale operations without hiring additional employees. Almost every modern company uses workflows to automate their everyday business processes to stay competitive. Let's look at a complete real-world flow. A website receives a new lead. The workflow saves it, sends an email, notifies the team, and has an AI assistant summarize the lead for you. Another example is content creation. One idea goes in, and the workflow creates an article, social posts, images, and schedules them all. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to build these workflows using professional platforms like N8N, Make, and Zapier. While these platforms have different interfaces, they all follow the same workflow principles. Once you master the concept, learning any automation platform becomes much easier. The key takeaway is this: every AI automation starts with a workflow. It combines a trigger, a series of actions, and logic to complete tasks automatically. Mastering this foundation is the first major step toward building powerful AI systems that work for you. Now it's your turn. For your assignment, answer these 3 questions in the comments. What is a workflow in your own words? What are the 3 main parts of every workflow? And name one repetitive task in your daily work that could be automated. I'm excited to see your ideas. In our next lesson, we'll explore how AI and automation work together to create truly intelligent systems. I'll see you there.